The universe is full of wonders. Galaxies spiral through space, stars explode with unimaginable power. But right here on Earth, something incredible is happening. Artificial intelligence is changing our world. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is already impacting our lives. And two big players are leading the charge, ChatGPT and Gemini. These powerful language models are capable of amazing things. But how do they stack up? Let's explore the exciting world of AI and see what the future holds. ChatGPT burst onto the scene in 2022, capturing the imagination of millions. Created by OpenAI, ChatGPT can generate human-like text, making it a revolutionary tool in the world of artificial intelligence. Need to write an email? ChatGPT can do it in seconds, saving you time and effort. Want a poem about the cosmos? ChatGPT can handle that too, crafting verses that can inspire and delight. This AI learns from massive amounts of data, constantly improving its responses and capabilities. It uses this knowledge to answer questions, write stories, and even translate languages, making it incredibly versatile. ChatGPT is like having a super smart assistant at your fingertips, ready to help with a variety of tasks. But ChatGPT isn't perfect. It can sometimes make mistakes or provide inaccurate information, which can be frustrating. And its knowledge is limited to the data it was trained on, meaning it doesn't know everything. Think of it like a student still learning, constantly absorbing new information but not yet perfect. Even with its limitations, ChatGPT is an impressive example of what AI can do, showcasing the potential of technology in our everyday lives. Not to be outdone, Google launched its own AI powerhouse Gemini, a name that signifies duality and versatility. Gemini is designed to be even more powerful and versatile than ChatGPT, aiming to set new standards in the AI industry. It can understand and generate different types of information including text, images, and code, making it a multifunctional tool for various applications. Imagine asking Gemini to write a story and illustrate it with stunning visuals, or even compose music to accompany it. That's the kind of power Gemini brings to the table, offering endless possibilities for creativity and innovation. Gemini is still under development, but its potential is limitless, promising to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. It could revolutionize fields like education, healthcare, and entertainment, making tasks easier and more efficient. Of course, Gemini also has its limitations, as no AI system is perfect. Like all AI, it can be biased by the data it's trained on, which is a significant challenge that developers must address. And its complexity makes it important to use responsibly, ensuring that it benefits society while minimizing risks. So who wins the AI showdown? Is it the versatile ChatGPT or the promising Gemini? The truth is, both ChatGPT and Gemini are remarkable achievements in the field of artificial intelligence. ChatGPT is readily available and easy to use, making it great for everyday tasks like drafting emails or answering questions. Gemini, while still in development, promises even greater capabilities, potentially revolutionizing industries. The best choice depends on your needs and what you aim to achieve with AI technology. Need help writing a quick email or generating content? ChatGPT is your go-to solution. Looking for AI with the power to create the next blockbuster movie or innovate in creative fields? Gemini might be the answer, offering advanced features and capabilities. One thing is certain, the future of AI is bright and full of potential. As these models continue to evolve, we can expect even more incredible advancements in various sectors. Just like we explore the vast universe, we're only beginning to uncover the potential of AI, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's a journey filled with wonder, possibility, and perhaps even a little bit of awe, as we witness the dawn of a new era. So buckle up, because the AI revolution is just getting started and the possibilities are truly endless.